Alright, when we're playing with our ridge vent with direct to deck bend up method, you can see I'm going to have my build up. Go ahead and cut my attic space. I'm going to incorporate your ridge vent. Then we're going to go ahead and bend our panel up 2 inches. And we're going to go to our venting material. And then we'll just install that as normal. Getting fasteners in the front, our side laps, and into our back header. Make sure we don't over tighten these. We don't want to compress our ridge vent. So we're keeping that 3/4 inch spacing there. Then we'll come back with our caps. The caps will come over the top, and we want to make sure we have a 1/2 inch space from our panel to our cap. And we'll go ahead and fasten these down into our 2x2 header. Making sure we have that 1/2 inch space. And the fasteners will be one on either side going into my 2x2. Make sure we have that space for the venting.